Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub repository. So to start, go to github.com and go to the homepage. Then go to the left side and tap on create repository. So from here, you can create a new repository. So give your repository a name. So tap on repository name. So something relevant to your project. Then go to description and add a short description if you like, but it's optional. After that, scroll down and choose whether you want your repository to be public or private. So hover over visibility and click public right here. So you can choose private or public. So depending on who should have access. Now make sure to check the option to add a README file. So make sure you toggle this on. So down here, you can add git ignore and you can add license, but these are optional. Then after that, click create repository. And that's it. You've now created your GitHub repository. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.